G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a fantastic home in a price point that is quickly running out. 7 Chanak Close in the popular Bayside suburb of Point Vernon. There is a fair bit to take in. Let's go and take a look around. This sound brick home was originally built in 2001 and is positioned on a spacious 647 square metre allotment in a quiet close in the popular Bayside suburb of Point Vernon. This home offers the coveted north-south aspect to capture the prevailing sea breezes and offers the convenience of being only a short drive away from Hervey Bay's key amenities, including the Stockland Shopping Centre, Piaba Place Shopping Centre, Hervey Bay RSL Club, hospitals, schools, university, golf course, Esplanade and the beach. This home includes 4 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes and new ceiling fans. The main bedroom includes a large walk-in wardrobe and ensuite with shower, vanity and a toilet. The bathroom includes a bath, shower and vanity, and there is a separate toilet. The kitchen truly forms the heart of this home and features a pantry and brand new stainless steel electric stove and a new stainless steel dishwasher. This home offers great separation and privacy for everyone, with a separate lounge or media room to the front where you'll be able to watch your favourite television series or blockbuster movie, as well as that vast open plan dining and second living area. The single garage has also been converted into an additional room, which would be ideal as a games or rumpus room. The open plan dining area directly off the kitchen offers access directly outside to that north facing covered outdoor entertaining area where you will enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate overlooking that sparkling in-ground pool with umbrella. This is the perfect space for daily relaxation or those special family gatherings. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as making a splash in that beautiful sparkling in-ground pool with the umbrella. For vehicle accommodation, you have side access to the carport and space to accommodate those with caravans and boats as well. The whole property is securely fenced for those with pets, and there is a large garden shed to house all your gardening equipment as well. The owners are not testing the market and are calling for an immediate sale, and you'll need to be quick to secure this one. So call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.